Hello everyone, this is Sumita Gupta. Welcome you all for my lecture 6 Skill Lab Python Programming. Today we will learn Python sets. So these are the outlines. First of all, what do you mean by sets? Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Okay, means it is used to store multiple items can be data types, list, tuple, dictionary. It's a collection of which is, it can be unordered and unindexed. Read carefully. Sat is unordered, unindexed, and it is written with curly brackets. Okay, so suppose for example this is a set. Remember we are using curly brackets here. Okay, so whatever items like A, B, C, D, A. So if you will use print command, then you will get the answer A, B, C, D. But if duplicates are there, but duplicates are not allowed in this sets. Remember, duplicates are not allowed in this set. See, these are different set methods, means you can apply directly. Add is used to add any element, clear to remove the elements, copy if you want to make the same copy of the particular set. Difference means you want to return a set that containing the difference between two more sets. Difference update means that is included in another set also. Remove those items that is present in your set as well as in another sets. Discard means remove the particular item. Intersection, return a set that is an intersection of two other sets. Okay. Intersection update, remove the item in this set that are not present in another set. Okay, that is common. If this joint two sets have intersection or not, these common values have not. Is subnet returns whether another set contains this set or not. Is supernet returns whether this set contains another set or not. Okay, we will see one by one, don't worry. Pop means removes an element from the set. Remove the element. Symmetric difference means return a set with a symmetric difference of two sets, the same type of difference between two sets. Okay, and then union is return a set containing the union. Union means combination of both items, set of set A and set B. Update means set plus union of the set with the other, the combination of two sets. Okay, so now let's start. Suppose you have entered any set S and you want to get the length of set, just press print length S. Just type print length as, you will get the answer. But remember here, small brackets, don't forget. Okay, two small brackets will be there. Now, what can be data types in set? Data types can be a string, can be integer, can be your true false. Okay, boolean can be integer, can be string, can be boolean, and it can be combination of all. Okay, so set is a combination of all the data types, whether it's a string, whether it's an integer, whether it's a boolean values. Okay, but remember for string double quote or single quote should be there, and for integer any number will be there, and for boolean capital T and capital F should be there. Please make it clear. Okay, if you want to get the type, so press type. Now for example, for this particular set, my set apple, banana, cherry, the type will be string. All integers type will be integer, and for true false the type will be boolean. But if you are taking the combination of all, then it will show the set, type will be set. That is a combination of different. Now if you want to use set command directly, set constructor, then remember there is no need of curly braces, just use only two small brackets, double round brackets. Okay, if you want to use set constructor, then don't need to use any curly braces, just use double quotes. Okay, I mean double brackets. Now if you want to access particular item, or you want to access the whole set, then just apply the for loop. For x in this set, print x, then you will get answer apple, banana, cherry. But sequence can be different. It can be banana, apple, cherry. It can be cherry, apple, banana. Okay, because it's unordered, unindexed. Okay, if you want to print the particular item in any set, then you have to type print. Suppose you want to print banana, the banana in this set, you will get the answer. Now, if you once a set is created, you cannot change it, but you can modify. You can add items in that. Okay, but that set is in that set you cannot change those items. Either you can add, you can delete. You cannot change. Suppose the set is apple, banana, cherry, and you want to add orange. Just use dot add command. Just use dot add. Okay, or if you want to add two different sets, just use dot update. Okay, means first set dot second update in second set, but a small bracket is required. Don't forget this. If you want to remove particular element, suppose the set is apple, banana, cherry, and you want to remove banana from this set, just use dot remove command. If you want to remove by a particular location, then you can use the last item by pop. You can use pop command. Okay, so dot pop you can use. Now clear means it will clear the whole set. Okay, there will be nothing in that. Same function with the delete. Okay, if you will delete this, then all the set items will be deleted. Okay, how to apply loop? We have already learned in the previous lectures. Suppose any set is there, just apply for x in the name of set, then print. So you will get apple, banana, cherry in the output. Now you want to use in the whole items of both sets. Then you use dot union. Union means the which term will common. Which union means A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. You will get all the answer. If A is repeated in the second set also, but it will print one times only. Okay, that is for union command. Dot update, you will get the same answer. We will try in Python also. Don't worry. Intersection means it will show the output that will be common in both sides. Intersection is common. Like for in this, I mean, apple is common. So you will get apple in the output. Okay, same you can get the same output either intersection or intersection update. So this is references. Now we will try in the Python window. Okay, now let's start with some set. I'm giving the here. I'm typing some set. I'm giving name as. Okay, as equals to then curly braces. Okay, I'm taking everything means integer. This is string, comma, space, then an integer value, comma, space, then I'm using boolean true and the curly braces. Okay, means I have taken the string that is a combination of the string, combination of integer and boolean. Now print s, print s. I want to check the length of s. See, length is how many items are there? 1, 2, 3 items, length is 3. I want to check the type of this. So it is showing set, means it is not like it's not a purely integer, it's not purely string, it's not purely boolean. So it will show type set. Okay. So now next it is done. Duplicates not allowed. Duplicates now how I will check. Suppose I'm taking a different set. Okay. I'm taking a string 2, comma 2 and any different string. Okay. I have to use curly brackets. Okay. So curly bracket and a string and the number, same number I'm taking. Okay. Now curly braces. Okay. Now if you will print this, what will happen? Repeated number 5 will not be there. So repeated numbers means repeated items are not allowed because I cannot say number. It can be integer, string and any value. So repeated item will not allowed in your set. Okay. Now length we have done. Okay. This we have done. Type we have done. Next is you can use set constructor. Okay. Suppose I don't want to use curly bracket. I want to use set constructors. As equals to set. I want to make a set. Then 2 small brackets. Then whatever you items you want to type. Okay. Now print s. So this is also alternate method to type any set. Okay. Now 5 was repeated, so only 1 5 is there. And remember, sequence is not there. It is unordered. It is unindexed. Okay. So either you can type a set either using curly bracket or you can use set constructor, but for that 2 small brackets are required. That is your set constructor. If you want to access elements, so we can apply the for loop for x in first. What is the name of set? S. then colon, okay, enter, print X. See, so in this way, you can apply for loop, you can access elements with the help of loop, okay. If you want to type particular item in this, in the set, then you have to use print 5 in S. Okay, it is showing true, means 5 is a part of, it is checking the membership, whether 5 is a part of that set or not, okay. So suppose I'm checking print, what was that, FDGHJK, okay, in S. So true. So it is replying in the terms of true and false. Okay. Now, if you want to change the items, well, you cannot change. You can add or you can delete. Okay. Suppose you want to add the different, any different things. So what I can do, just use add command. Dot add. Suppose as is already exist here. I want to add what I want to add. Suppose 2 in this particular, and now print as. Now, previously it was only 5 and G, F, J, H, J, K, but now what is there on 2 is also inserted. Okay, so you can add with particular item or you can add 2 different sets. Okay, now how? Suppose I am taking a different set T equals to 4, 5, space is important, 4, 5, comma space, 6. Syntax error. Oh, syntax error is there. Okay. I have missed number type there. 5, 6. Now you can print T. If you want to add both sets, so what you want the one as set and dot update T set and print as S. Now you can check the S was 2, 5, FDJ, HJK and T was 4, 5, 6. Now both are added. But what happened? The common term 4 was duplicated. So it will repeat the duplication. Only 1 4 will be there. Okay. And 5 was in S also and 5 was T also. So only 1 5 will be there. Okay. So duplications are not allowed in this. So dot update. Okay. If you want to delete particular item, you can use dot remove or dot pop. Let's check. Print, or you can write S dot remove. What you want to remove? Suppose I want to remove 2. Now print S. Now 2 is removed. Or you can use pop command. S dot pop. What is the difference between 2? Now pop means this first item in S was removed. Not removed, what exists. So what is that item? 4. Okay. So that is pop. Now dot clear. Let's see dot clear. S dot clear. Print as. Then you will not get anything because the set is deleted. So there is nothing. It's a blank. Okay. For the same thing, you can use delete also. Del S. But now it will show the error. Because S was already deleted with clear command. So purpose of clear and del both are same. Okay. Now loop we have already done. Join to set dot union. Okay. Now again I am taking 2 different set. A equals to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And B equals to 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. We want union. A dot union small bracket B. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Union of both. Those common, these like 3 is common, it will be printed once. Okay, 2 is common, it will be printed once. So it's a union. In the same way, you can take the intersection also. A intersection B. Okay. Now, what is the common parameters? 2 and 3. That is the intersection. Okay. Union. Same method you can use update, intersection. Either you can intersection underscore update or intersection. We will get the same answer. Okay. So in this way, we have learned sets. So I hope you have understood this. So keep learning, keep sharing. God bless.